good evening, everyone. And let's see, where's my buttons? I lost my buttons. Hey, there we go. All right, how's everybody on this fine, hot and humid Thursday evening? Hope everyone's doing well. I'm not doing so bad. Ready for game day 4 game dev? Thursday? Yeah, day 4. Ready to kick the tires and light some fires. Definitely didn't day drink at the golf course. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with day drinking. Nothing wrong with that at all. Unless you do it every day, then it's probably a problem. Let's see. I need to... Oh, no. I need to find my startup so I can get things started up. Yeah, alright. Well, that's loading up. Let's see where we're sitting. What do I gotta do tonight? I was supposed to finish my design document, which I actually has a lot of detail that needs to be added still. Let's see, I got that. What else do I gotta do? That's done. The add action icons, update the actions. I've come up with 2 of the icons. I'm gonna try to put those in tonight. That should be pretty easy. Randomize door status. I can do that for sure. Develop action check function. That one's gonna take a little bit of effort. Well, let's put up the to-do list, shall we? Figure out how to do it. I am not using AI to make the art and sound. That's actually specifically not allowed in this game jam. So I'm using just assets that I have already, that I've acquired or purchased from like Humble Bundle or other group things somehow. Let's see, what's on my to-do list? Oh, those are other things, but we'll leave them on there. If you need a mean stick figure, I might need some mean sound effects. I need some like moaning and groaning sound effects, sound clips. Let's see, where's my chat box? There it is. Let's see, I need to see what my commands are, because I can never remember. Oh yeah, task add. Cuddle. Cuddle's a good one. I like to cuddle. You need to specify a target if you're gonna cuddle. Finish GDD. Let's see, 25 UI icons. Add. Task ass. Random door status. Action check function. Let's see. Oh yeah, torches. Random notifications from Instagram. Level theme. Oh, that one's done. Finished. Design dialogue messages. It feels like that's kind of in progress. I guess it is in progress. Potions list. Oops. Potion list. Got a lot to do tonight. Oh yeah. End game. Manager. Let's see. That's all I got. That's all I got for tonight. That's a lot. There's a lot of things on that list. All right. Well, let's start off by Graphics, icons. We're going to add, which ones are they? These ones. All right, I want to have this one. Oh no. Oh, they're all still named 1 and 2. Nice. Can I just paste it and give it a new name? Whoa. What the hell? Nope. I want it to just call it copy. Jesus, why is it? I thought Windows just automatically made the copy if you wanted it to. Okay. I'm gonna call this look. There. Now we'll copy it. Stupid thing. I'll change it back to 2 just because I want to keep it the original name. Windows do something helpful. Never have they ever. That's probably true, yeah. And then we'll call it. Oh, I already have that one. I don't need that one. I need one that is... well, these are crappy. I don't want to use the headphones. I want something for listen and touch. And they don't really have them. Well, we'll start with that one then. Let's import look. There we go. That's the look icon. We're going to change it to, oops. Change it. All right, it's a lot smaller. Oh, it should have probably have a background, shouldn't it? Can I give it a background? I don't know if I can. Well, I could just put something behind it. Duh. Well, let's see how it looks. It's still pretty small. Still pretty small. Nope. How that one looks. I don't see anything else useful. Okay. That means I can delete this one. Delete, remove. So I still need something for touch and for here. Ugh, I hate looking through all my icons and shit. Those are all books. I think I can send you that. I think they can just be WAV files, because that's what I've used in the past. Those are lossless. So what do I need? I need like... Well, here, I will just drop them into Discord. As soon as I find it. There we go. I'm gonna put it in the It's Gonna Work channel. I need some moaning. I'm gonna say monster moaning, not like porn moaning. Scratching, knocking. What else? What other sounds? Yeah, monster moaning, not porn moaning. Moster. Oh, they're gonna say like shuffling like sound, etc. They don't have to be super long. It's mostly so when you're in the game and you're to the point where you got to decide which door to pick, you're gonna pick the listen. Oops, this one. And when it's gonna play some sounds and it's just gonna pick one at random essentially, and then decide whether you heard something or not. Just some ambient background noise. Oh yeah, that's right. I do need a drink sound. Good point. Yep, I will definitely need a drink sound. Icons. Oh, no, that's not the right folder. All right, let's see what else we got here. I'm on the wrong folder again. In the wrong folder. I got too many folders. Those are books. No, those are just games from that thing. Game backgrounds. I wonder what those look like. I hate the way these are all organized. I also hate that I have them all compressed. I should just decompress them all. Let's see. Alright, well that's not it. Cybersecurity. Well, here. I'm just gonna unzip them. Wooden UI. We'll say Western icon. Oh, no, don't use the Windows extractor. That sucks. I'll also take the spellbook one. That might actually be good. Loot icons, that might be useful. Fishing icons. Don't know what the badges are, but we'll extract them anyway. Oh, so many to go through. I didn't know I had all this crap. Alright, let's just start with what we got. Game icons. Nope. I like actual Western icons. Nice. Some of these icons are pretty fun, but not what I need right now. Let's go. Oh, they all all came to the top. So we'll start at the top again. Nice, I like it. Ooh, we got one right here. Let's go and just play it. Just play it in Discord. No, I like it. I like it on the quiet side because that's kind of the idea. Is it's meant to be somewhat difficult to discern. I like it. And I can always tweak the volumes a little bit in the game. And they're mostly just for effects, so they don't have to be spectacular. It's a game in 5 days, so what do you expect? Yeah, you can claim some of the profits of the $0 that I'm gonna get out of it. I will put your name in the credits section of the game, which I probably will have to build because I don't have that yet. Could call you Supreme Head of sound effects. Dynamite! The drink one's good. I like it. I wish it would just stay there when I'm looking at these. Very cool. There's some cool. I got some cool icons. I didn't know I had some of these. All right, let's hear drink. Oh man, I can't hear that at all. I think I need to download this one. Download. Just downloads. Drink one. Oh, that's awesome. That's so awesome. I love that one. That one's fantastic. May have to just put that one as general use on the in the stream. Just drink and it just plays that sound. I'll probably make sure my volume's adjusted back. There we go. I love it. Man, who would have thought that coming up with just a couple of simple icons, I have to just rustle up my... Oh, I can't draw. I know who am I kidding? Fantasy badges? I don't know what even that is. No, those are different. All of them? Oh, it is all of them at once. I like that. Armor shots, armor sets. Yeah. Well, those are some good ones. Oh, those are all PSD files. I'm not even going to bother trying to open them because GIMP takes a million years to load up. PNGs. Buttons. Let's see what we got. This one looks like it might be. Icons. At least these have real names. I like it better than when they're numbered. You know what? I got a better idea. I'm just gonna make them freaking text buttons and be done with it instead of wasting my time. So we'll just change that icon. We'll change it to, we'll add a child node. Label. It's gonna be called like I'm gonna say inspectors. Wasn't it? Alright, definitely need a background. And a font. Let's pull up the old Agent Ransack. Find some font. 100 game fonts. Explore here. Fantasy fonts. I like it. Let's make it something that's this one. I might like that one. What's this one look like? Not impressed by that one at all. That's the same one again. Ooh, I like this one. I think. Yeah. Alright, well, so let's... Alright, how do I use a custom font? Display text. Justification flags. Alright, Google time. How do I use custom fonts in Godot? Using fonts. Font sizes are no longer defined in the font itself. Theme overrides, fonts. Which one did I like? Oh crap. This one? Yeah. Just like this. Oh, I gotta fonts. Fonts. Put it inside of graphics. And fonts. Let's move that font here. Like this. Fonts. Oh, I don't have it selected anymore. Oh damn, what happened to what did I do with my font? Damn it. Put it back where it's supposed to go. There we go. actually looks pretty crappy, doesn't it? Oh yeah, you can't hardly read that. Let's see. It's a font color. Good evening, TBD Gamer. How are you doing? White. Very white. Karate and cardio at the same time? Wow. That's ambitious. Whoa. Black belt level karate, immediately followed by cardio kickboxing. Oh, 2 hours worth of that? I would be dead. I mean, absolutely dead. There's no way I would not be. Let's see. I think I want to put a sprite back into the background. I actually want to just, what if I just do that? Let's do this. Yeah, things are actually going pretty well tonight. I'm a little, I don't want to say I'm more organized, but, oh, that's an ugly color. But yeah, things are going pretty well. I got a lot on my list tonight, but I kind of want to get things knocked out so I can be pretty much ready to submit the game next week, because I'm leaving on vacation on Saturday morning. So I'm hoping that things keep going and I can at least get a minimum viable product going to, probably tomorrow. Okay. I think I want to change that background a little bit, but do I? Yeah, I want more of a, actually, where was that one I was looking at? No, not that one. Let's close that one. Yeah. This is treasure chest icons. I'm looking for a little bit of maybe it's quest journal. Have what I want. No, it's getting closer though. To say Hollywood's not going to pick me up for any monster noises anytime they're first. So we'll be working with me for a long time. Well, I appreciate the effort anyway. Rank icons. Okay, these are all specifically GUI ones. Where are... Let's go pull back up Agent Ransack and look for background. Yeah, you're right. It might be. They might hear your water drinking sound and be like, "We need this guy for the next, oh, I don't know, Gatorade lineup, right?" Doing the Gatorade drink slurp drink sound, gulp sound. Yeah, right. It is top tier. I agree with that. Speaking of gulping. Oh yeah, I should do that. Where is that? Let's see. Drink sound. Oh no, my water cup! I was filling up my water cup and I'm out of water. Yeah, right. Down this gulping sound. Let's pause the music. Turn this way up. God, I just love it. That's fantastic. Like I said, next Gatorade commercial, next Gatorade ad guy right there. I love it. I have a metal cup from tap water with liquid IV pack in it. Excellent. Actually, that might be what I want. I don't like the wooden lines. Button. Oh no, those are lame buttons. I can get behind that one. That'll be good enough. Get a background here, or a folder here called backgrounds. So there's backgrounds. There's the frame. So we'll get rid of shelf and we'll replace it with that. Oh, it's a mite on the big side though, isn't it? There we go. Much better. Still huge. Never mind. But getting better. Let's take the whole thing and move it over a ways. Get a little taller. Let's shift this one down out of the way and this one down out of the way. Alright, I like that. Good enough. Good enough for government work. So we are going to put another label on this one. Alright, so this one is touch. Theme overrides, fonts. That one there. Wouldn't that put it 18 months past due and a couple million over budget? Maybe. Well, I don't need to make the label, do I? I'm gonna say touch doors. But is there a price on passion? No, there never is. We'll make this 31 pixels. I should have just copied this. I don't know what I was thinking. Actually, I'm gonna do just that. Yeah, let's delete that one. can get rid of that icon. And get a copy of. Oh no, wait, not that label. I want the shelf. Put that here. Now this label is supposed to be touch doors. Touch. Oh man, the cheating fantasy football draft is off again. Especially with me being dead last for fantasy. Lame. Cheated. Where are you at? Where are you at, Mr. Where's my phone? Oh, it's over here. Forgot I'd plugged it in. Scientifically drafted order. Why are you complaining? You're second. Oh wait, no, never mind, sorry. That was the final standings. Oh, that's right. I won. Oh yeah, dead last, then you. That's okay, Randy's 10th, so I can live with our boss being 10th. Being way down there so he can complain the whole time. Ah, good times. Let's see, we'll start with the label. Move it to this one. Select it and bring it over. Let's get rid of that icon. Yeah, shelf. Bring it down here. Touching the doors. Listen. Listen! How does that look in the game? Alright. Alright, so that's put in. What is that? Got new icons. What was that one? We'll start by putting it. Matt, what a loser. First place. Nope, that's not what I want. What am I looking for? I'm looking for Firefox. That's what I'm looking for. Finished. I feel like I just added that one too, but I don't remember what number it is. I'm definitely not doing that one. 19. 19's over. I just completed, right? That's done. Alright. So let's see, what's the next one I want to do? That one's finished. Oh, I can randomize the door status. Yeah, we can do that. That one should be pretty easy. That one requires a little bit of code. So, door status. Let's see. A door has a clear room property. That's really all I gotta do is set that. So let's go to the main scene. On the main scene, when it is ready, I'm going to... Where do I create the doors? Here we go. Alright, let's refactor this a little bit. So I'm going to make the right and left door. I'm going to actually call them right more sense that way. Door. Door. Alright. Oh, crap. Let's left door. Actually, I'll just take door. Copy paste. Forgot I got all the transition logic. I thought it was just that section. Alright. So, let's see. I need to create the most pseudo-random binary choice that I can get, right? It's always going to be one or the other. Determine. So, I'd probably just do math.random and feed the time to it, maybe? Is that how you do that in C#? I don't do random stuff in C#. Math.rand. Random number generator. RNG. Random number generator, Godot thing. That is a Godot thing. Let's look up the Godot random number generator. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. So I'll create it. I can just say random range. I can seed it. That's what I want to do, is I want to seed it. I can just seed it in int, initializes a random number generator state based on the given seed value. A given seed will give a reproducible sequence of pseudo-random numbers. RNG does not have an avalanche effect and can output similar random streams given similar seeds. That seems reasonable. So C# get current millisecond, maybe? Maybe I'll just say get the current millisecond and that'll be my seed. So I'll just do that. So I'll say rng.seed. What are you? I don't need to have that. Can I just do this? Ulong. Let me just convert that to Ulong. There. So now I can random seed it. Let's see here. So I can say random number is rand f, and I give it a range. Here's a tutorial. Oops. I like to see it in action. Okay. In global scope, you can find a randomized method. This method should be called only once when your project starts to initialize the randoms. Oh, I can initialize the randoms that way. That's even better. Okay, so we'll do that instead. Let's start with that. So we'll get rid of this bit. And then inside of, setting global. Yeah, in global scope. Be called only once when your project starts to initialize the random seed. So do I put that? Yeah, I would put that in the global here? Yeah, I think so, because I would do it in this ready function. I'll just take this whole function, actually. I think that's valid. Uh-oh. Monster noise, loud. I love it. I'll get to it in a moment. Oh, so now I've got that. And now I want to say randomize. Prints a random integer between 0 and 49. So rand int mod 50. Okay, so do this. Here we go. Except it's gonna just be mod 2. It's gonna say bar val is equal to that one. So returns a random 32-bit integer. So in this case, it's between 0. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. And I will just come here and I'll say if it's really dumb logic, I know. If val is equal to 1, then we will actually like this. Oops, nope, don't do that one. I'll say else. Just negate those. True and false. There we go. That'll pick a random number between 0 and 1. If it's equal to 1, those will be the door setups. Otherwise, it's that. Simple as that. Oops. Ugly, but effective. All right. Finished. That's test them 20 yet now. Did I clear some of them up? It tried to. All right, finished. Let's see, in progress. That one's not due for a while. My main menu. Game design document. All right, develop action, check function. I'm gonna skip that one for right now. Ah, torches. I want to put torches on my doors. Actually, the torches. Oh no, the torches are gonna have to be with that, aren't they? Yeah, I think I'm still good. I think I'm gonna put them in scenes, doors together scene. Audacity crashed. Press send crash report. Failed to send crash report. Well, if you're using an old enough version, the company, sold out, right? So they may not even trying to go something that doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, because they sold out to a company and they wanted to make it a paid thing. That's been a long time ago. But I think there's an open source version of Audacity, like a newer one. I don't remember what it's not called Audacity anymore, but it's something else. Oh god, Darren, I think what did he say? I think it's the same software that CrowdStrike was using. At least he wasn't commenting about my code. Because he always, whenever something breaks, he always asks me if I'm running my own code. Jerk. Yeah, animated I thought there was animated sprite 2D. Oh yeah, right there. A sprite frame resource must be created or set in the frames property in order for the animated sprite 2D. Sprite frames resource. How do I do this? My brain. It comes up down here, doesn't it? Nope, it's not a... I have to open up my other project again because I suck at this. But that's why I'm doing it, because I suck at it, so I need practice. I should put that, I need to put that icon, get that so that it loads up in the game too. It's kind of fun. Oh, come on, project. Load, please. Any day now. There we go. Playa. So it is an animated sprite. Oh, it's under animation. Oh my God, it's right there. Yep. Animation, sprite frames. Wait, did it do that? No, I need to do new sprite frames. Yeah, I say sprite frames. Does it open something down here then? Oh, here we go. Now it's here. So I have one, and then I drag it over sprite frames. Nope. That's not right. Nope, didn't want to do that one. Nope, delete that one. Yep, delete that one. Open. All right, how did I do this? Wait, no, I did. No, okay, I did something else here, right? I had to... Maybe I did it like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go back to 10. All right, let's go find my transform. Oh, that's wrong. Oh. Oh, yeah. Does that still make it really small? No, it's the same size now, isn't it? Yeah. Let's put it at the bottom of that one, maybe? Okay, so let's look at the settings for the automation, or the animation, not automation. Animation is default. Animation is default. So let's see what if it comes down. I don't see them. Must be because they're up there. Let's go to main scene. Oh. Well, bugger. I'm not using that combined doors together figures. Can I just do this? I just copy these and paste them into here? Kind of. Now can I just go like this? Yeah, those are all pretty much the same. I don't want to put the animated sprites there though. I want them to be here. Let's create a child node. I can group the doors and all of these guys to that node 2D. And I can call this a door group. Now that's going to break some of my code where I get the door. Let's go door group. I think I can translate, instead of translating each door individually. Oh, my headphones just died. Why isn't that one? Luckily I got a cable. Right handy. Ah! There we go. Now we're back, sort of. I don't have music yet, because I gotta fix my... There it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, I want to move the whole door group, I think. I'm going to... Where do I have the doors? I have them up here, right? Yeah. I might be able to get away with this 2D door group. Get node door group. Nope, node 2D. Then I'm gonna just test it by, we're gonna say door group dot translate velocity times float delta. Let's just see what that does. It might just work. I may have to tweak the numbers a little bit since it's now a group. Oh, look at that. Oh, goodbye, doors. They're way down. Yeah, no problem. Final door location. Yeah. Let's take the door group first. Let's do it with the door group. See where that puts it. Click the button. Okay, the door group still goes too far down, so I need to like cut that movement about in half. So door shift distance. We'll say 160. Yeah. Binary search this baby. Oh, it didn't change at all. So why final shelf location? Oh, no, that's shelf. Door group. Oh, let's change this to door group also. I didn't want to just build, I wanted to run. Click it. Alright, so that's the problem. Now I gotta bring it back to back up to 320. Perfect. Now I gotta get them babies to automate them or animate themselves again. Play. So why aren't you automating? Oh, animating. I don't know why I keep wanting to say automate. It's driving me nuts. It's killing me. Okay, animation. 1. Animation is default. Yeah, so those are all playing the animation like they're supposed to. Oh, there it goes. I swear I clicked that button before and it wasn't working. Alright. I don't think that makes any difference, but I just want to see if it does. I think I may have to tell it to start. Yeah, because they're not animated right now. I said it right that time. Heck yeah, I did. Animated. Process. So let's look at this animation. Not the animation player. So how do I make it? Can I just, is there a property that just makes it animate on startup? Or do I have to actually put it in some code? Animated sprite 2D autoplay. it was changed like that to make it consistent with the animation player. You can mark some animation to autoplay animation. Autoplay on load. Oh, there it is. Well, is that what I want though? Yeah. Oh, I see. I make that one. Oh, I choose the one that I want to play on load. Okay. That makes sense. That button makes sense there now. There we go. We got some simple animation. That's all we need. 22. There we go. Now we're down to a non-scrolling list, which is where I want to be. Dialogue messages, potion list, and then in-game manager. All right. So, one thing I thought of when I was not getting caught on cables. Is the text on this text box, on the user interface text box. This thing is miserable to view. Theme override, color, font color. Can I make that as super bright white as possible? And see if that looks any better. It's still really gray, and I wonder if that's because I have it marked as not editable. I can't say that. I can't say editable. No, that's something you can eat. Editable. Oof. Edible. Yeah, right. Edible. Okay, well, let's check these buttons again. Yeah, they are not in the right spot. Inspect doors. Yep, they're doors. That's totally gonna be one of the possible outputs. Or not outputs, but messages is totally gonna make it so that, yeah, when you have no more skill or you fail, be like, yep, for sure, doors. Let's see. I don't want to adjust that one. Super dumb, and I should learn how to do this the right way, but but this is how I do it for now. So I can get my buttons in the right place. Let's say, let's change this to ear button background. I want to call it listen. I don't want to call it here. Listen button label. Listen button label. touch button label. Background. Go. Now everything is oops. No, I'm back down. Go. Let's see. Where are we at? What have I got left on my list? Okay, so my action check function. This is the part where I gotta check to see if I can detect anything when they click those buttons. Oops, that's the wrong one. So this is all inside the main scene again. Let's minimize that one. So it'll be on these. Let's come and look at, I have a player. What's a player? All right, so here are the senses. Oops. Senses. So they have a number. That number is, it'll be 0 to greater than 100. Because the potion can increase your senses, but can't lower it to below 0. So when you check the door, I was thinking about this last night. What did I come up with? Because as the game progresses, as you get farther and farther out, the doors are going to get harder. So it's going to be going against your sense level, which is 100, and probably the difficulty level of the door. Maybe that's how I was doing it. Trying to think of how I would like that to work. So if there's a difficulty on the door, and then you take your senses into account, how would you get a pass-fail? All right, I'm just gonna Google something. I'm gonna Google some thoughts just to give me some ideas here. Game design skill check logic. Yeah, Reddit always has good stuff. I don't want. It's not a tabletop game. Game dev. Thoughts on implementing a skill system. It's always here's the answer, and this is how I make pipe bombs from my lint tray. It's true, and they're typically on the same post too, which is weird. Yeah, I don't want that. This is how I made my pipe bombs. How do you write scripted game logic that's not spaghetti code? No. We'll just say Reddit. Not tabletop RPG, screw that. Nope, that's a philosophical question. You know what? We're gonna ask ChatGPT. I really just need like an idea. That's all I need. I'm not asking for a lot right now. Whoopsie. How would I design a simple video game skill check? Oh man. Thanks for scrolling. I appreciate that. So this is doing like a player skill check. See, this is part of my problem is I don't know the right words to use in this sense. That's what the actual input check. How would you're the sound guy. Well, thanks. Thanks for that, sound guy. How would a check for with? I'm having a thought. Now I'm going to D&D because typically you roll a dice and you take your skill, and that gives you a target zone. So what if it works that way? Or the number in this case is your bonus. So you get a random number, multiply it out, and then like a luck modifier just to give it some more randomness. How would that work? Do I have LinkPad installed? I do. LinkPad's how I like to scratch out some code when I need to think something through. So if I have int skill go to 100, and then I have random. So I'll pick a random int S tier sound guy. Got water. That drinking was so crisp. That's right. Let's go download those. Let's see. Monster noises. We'll just click through these. All right. We're gonna say sounds. Start collecting them in a folder. Monster moan. Monster one is ass. All right, let's do this. Get my hand on the volume in case it goes crazy. I don't have too many open windows, man. Too many. I kind of like that one too. That was just got a. I like it. This one says it's loud. I'm using them, every one of them. They're going in. That's all there is to it. Put that one here. Bam. I love it. I really do like them. Oh, I just closed my music. Media player. always click the checkbox when I mean to click play. There we go. I love it. I love it. I'm just gonna put those in the game right now. Sounds. Wait for it to reload. And there they are. Perfect. All right, yeah. Let's see, link pad. I was working on some logic here, so I'm gonna say, difficulty is gonna be equal to, booms and bang bangs. I could go for that. I think that would be cool. Like some banging, like banging on the doors. 0.1. And that's a skill times diff dumb. I gotta do this, right? What? Farts. So that got. So then if your skill level times the differential, or the difficulty level, so then if its difficulty is 1, then the score is 100. 0.01. Didn't get a sound pass yet. Something like perception check using a skill level 100. Yep, yep. Okay. Okay, so like perception check, so determine the player's perception skill level. A random chance. Use a random number generated to determine if a player notices a hidden object based on their skill level. So the chance to notice an object is the perception skill divided by 100. Okay, I like that. So that gives me a percentage. And then I just say random if it's less than chance to notice. Feedback. So use a random number generator to determine if the player notices. Okay, so alright, so let's. Okay, so I got the skill level. And then I'm gonna say bar percent is equal to skill divided by 100.0. Percent dump. And then skill. So then that percentage chance is 1 because it's 100. So then if a door is easy to determine, would I just give it a number like so alright, so difficulty is equal to it's 50, so 0.5. And then if percent minus difficulty is greater than or equal to I bet I'm struggle busting hard on this one. I think difficulty is greater than 0.5. Then pass. Else. Fail. So that one would be a pass. But if the difficulty is 0.7, then it's a fail, right? Okay. Yeah, we'll run with it. It's not the best. It's not the best system. I'll noodle on that one a lot more. That one's going to take a lot more noodling. So each door is going to have a difficulty. So we'll call this public. Float. I'll call it capital difficulty. Okay. How many rooms are there supposed to be? Let's figure that out real quick. Because I want it to scale up. Audio, sound effects. Here we go. Most of the sound effects were created specially for this game by Bobby B. Dennis. Twitch. Bobby B. Oops. There we go. You are now in the document as sound designer. What? Hello? There we go. That was weird. So 12 doors. So I'm gonna have that difficulty scale up. Okay, so there's 12 doors. I'm gonna just go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these guys, we're gonna scale them up from super easy to very difficult. So, well, actually I don't want them to be too high because your skill sets might be low. So we'll say the last couple are gonna be 0.7. 0.7, that'll make it a difficult door to determine. 0.7, maybe 0.6. So I end up with a percentage. Ooh, cancel. So whatever this value is here, that's what I'm checking to see if higher. So yeah, so we'll start with like 0.3. I want to go from 0.3 to 0.7 in 12 steps, right? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go 4 in 12 steps, so it'll be 3 of them. Oops. Whoops, 0.5. Whoopsies. Man, I am just doing some stellar typing tonight. This is ridiculous. And then 0.6 and 0.7. Yeah, that's a good way. That's a good starting point. So we will put that into well, main scene is proving to be my whole game logic controller. I'm gonna put it in globals though still. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say I think I'm gonna make it a dictionary again because it's only gonna be 12 items anyway. Dictionary, string, float, room, difficulty. New dictionary. And then we'll say, actually I could just make it an int and a float. There. So now I can say 1.3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so 4, 5, and 6 are 4. 6, and 7. Let's see, what's my problem here? Oh, I didn't change it in both places, that's all. Oh, because it's double, not float. Yeah, idiot. Oh. I did make it a float here too, didn't I? Yep, I did. It's supposed to be double. And there we go, semicolon. So I'll know which room it is. So we'll come here and we'll make that a yeah, this code's getting really, really ugly. We're gonna have to current room Current room is equal to 1. And then every time it goes, it would change. We'll say and last room is equal to 12. Actually, I can make it constant. Let's say last room. Now I need to check the stats. I need to that's private, so do I need to make it private? Or does it, no, actually the question is, do I need to make it public? I do not. Skill check. So we will pass in player skill. Double difficulty. And then we'll have some fun with it. We'll say, so I got the skill, so I'm gonna say var percent is equal to skill divided by 100.0. I don't know if that's really, that's how I got it, so that's what we're gonna stick with. So I got the difficulty. I'm going to say luck is going to be equal to rand float. What do we got? Random range? Nope. There's no argument for the double mean, double deviation. Oh, no, that's a different thing, isn't it? Print a random integer. Print a normally distributed floating point number between 0 and 1. So random range, rand f range. Oh, I'll actually use that when I go to get my thing. So I think I'll do random.randomfn by default. Because that'll add a little bit of the luck function to it. So it's going to be randfn. Oh, player skill. There's no argument that corresponds to what? Random. Oh, it's rng.randomfn. Random number generator RNG. Is that right? Do I create a new one? No, yeah, I say that. just say random dot or RNG dot randfn. So now I will say if percent minus difficulty plus luck is greater than or equal to, what's my target? 0.5. Right now it's supposed to be static. Then I will return true. Else return false. Alright, simple check. Took me way too long to figure out a simple check. Okay, so I've built the skill check. That's not very good, but it works. That's 21. There we go. Task 21 done. Wow, that was rough. That was painful. Very painful indeed. Let's see about... so if I have listened... Which you can knock out to-do list. Like, it's not a complicated to-do list. And I am on a short window. Because, you know, I've got till tomorrow. So on listen, I will do so I will first check to see if I've listened before. If I haven't, then I will do no, it's not. It doesn't have to be fully finished, but the focus is supposed to be on game, or what is it, playability. Let's go check it out. itch.io. I want to have it as finished as I can, just because I'm particular. I don't know. Let's see. We are right in the middle of the Pirate Software Game Jam, right here. Oh, team name. It did not come up with a team name. So I gotta follow the terms of service. No teams are greater. I must submit a game design document. It has to run in a browser. I do not need to leave your... if you do need to leave... Oh, that's something else. Yeah, be cool. No AI generated content. No pornography. That you have commercial license for, which of course I do. So the game design document. Must submit a game design document. I should be able to export it to a browser. Oh, damn, don't say that now. Doesn't support web browser build? I don't know. I assumed that it did. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to panic and rewrite it all. Well, shit. Export to browser. No, that's fine. It'll be fine. Let's see. Recreate RuneScape Classic. Oh, gotta be sweet, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, it cannot be exported to the web. To use C# on web platforms, I have to use Godot 3. Bugger. My support cannot run on macOS and iOS. So yeah, that's fine. That doesn't really matter necessarily. Yep, so let's see. Let's think about that. I'm gonna have to convert it all, aren't I? No, that's not a big deal. Oh, we'll figure it out. I think it is just gonna have to be just rewrite the logic. I mean, none of the logic I've written is super complicated, so I should be able to port it all pretty easily. Yeah, that'll be all right. Because it's all mostly just functions and variables, so that's not a big deal. Yeah, port, starboard, same thing. That's a true statement. Man, that's a bummer, isn't it? Well, hang on. Up to date for open an issue. Currently cannot be exported to the web. To use C# on web platforms, use Godot 3. I wonder if can I convert my project to a Godot 3 project and then export it? Probably not. You can't. They can't downgrade. Yeah. Easily don't convert down. However, you can try going. No, that sucks, doesn't it? C#. Shoops. Export to browser to web. Currently can't be exported to the web to use C# platforms. There's now a roadmap of sorts. Wow. Ooh, man, my neck just popped. That was wow. Let's see. Yeah, with 4.0 release, the C# integration moved away from the model. Embedded APIs are played with .NET. Oh, because they switched to .NET Core. Okay. There was the Windows only .NET framework. Yep. So, yep. Android, iOS, web. The web platform is still not supported. EM script engine compile C++ code to WebAssembly. All right, well, we'll figure it out one way or the other. So I don't have a lot of code. There's nothing funky with my whole project that's gonna screw it up, is there? Nah, I doubt it. Yeah, I think I just port the code over to the Python scripts to the GD script. Yep. I think that's what I do. I'm trying to think. Yeah, so I don't think it'll be that difficult. I think what I'll do is I'll copy everything, make sure I got a clean backup of everything, and then I'll go through and I'll copy the CS script. I'll unlink it here at each node. I'll dump it into GD script, paste in all the C# code, and then just start refactoring. Because for the most part, most of the changes, like this get node, like that syntax changes. That's actually a simpler syntax. And then really for the most part, that's gonna probably be the extent of most of this. My global values will change a fair amount. I mean, I'll still use dictionaries, but I mean, that's just data, so that's not a big deal. These are just classes, so I can just leave it. So that'll be easy to do. Yeah, I don't think I am not concerned. I don't think. I should say I don't think. So let's start with doing that. Let's just do a backup. Close it. And we'll just go like that. Keep calm and drink tea. Alright, so there's my copy. That's my backup. So this is, I'll call it like this. I'll say C# backup. Alright, and now we'll fire it up. Yeah. So we'll do that. And I think we just start. Close the graphics. Let's start with just the scripts because that should be easier. I will create a script. We'll call it, we'll make it a GD script. Yep. And we are going to call it global. We'll just say globals. And that's good. That's good because now I can use them side by side. I'm not using my Visual Studio or VS Code instance. Global values. Okay. Func. Is it underscore ready? And we'll say gd dot randomize. And now we'll start by doing a list of potions. Oh, I don't have potions yet, so I can't do that one necessarily. Now I gotta get my brain shifted over to Python. Create Python dictionary. Python 101. Okay, so I define it almost identically. GD script public property. Make sure there's nothing weird about this that I'm gonna mess up here. Member variables, constants, enums, built-in vectors, functions. Yeah, so I just make them everything after the comment, so so I should read this to document. Yep. Ooh, excuse me. I will just say, okay, I know it's, what are you gonna do? So we'll say, farts. What am I looking at here? Room difficulty. And we'll say that that is equal to, and I'll do it this way, I think. 0.3. 2 is 0.3. Man, typing, not my thing tonight. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 4, 0.4, 5 is 0.5, 6 is point, oh, what? No, dumb, 4, and 4. Clear that out. I've been throwing the first curveball at the last minute. I work in nuclear, and at outage time, that is literally every day. So I am accustomed to the chaos that is life. 0.5. Yeah, I'm not either. I'm never all that excited for outage when it comes around. I mean, sometimes it's fun. It just kind of depends. 5566. But the extra money is nice. That's what I tend to learn the most about how things operate in the plant. 9 is supposed to be 5. So that's always kind of cool. And then 0.7. Oh, thanks a lot, TBD. I will definitely be streaming again. I'll probably do it in the morning, because then I'll spend most of my day getting my last minute things packed. So I'll be up bright and early, streaming again in the morning sometime. So yeah, if you can catch it, great. If not, I will see you when I get back, and hopefully have finished this so that it's ready to go. All right, let's create a potion. See you later. So one more script here. We're gonna call it potion.gd. All right, class potion node, or extends node. Hang on, it's already here. Class potion extends node. Is that right? Something like that. Class potion. Okay. Our potion name. Sense. Density. Drink dialogue. Drink. Dialogue. Message. Identifier GD is not declared in the current scope. Oh, there's a problem with my globals.gd. Oh, is it GD? Where's my, oh, it's over here. Boops. I just call randomize. There we go. Randomize. And then after class declaration. Pushing. Build. So why is it giving me these errors? Because that's fixed. I don't know. Whatever. We will go back to globals anyway. Now we'll say var dialog. Should I do them underscore? That's the Python way. Type messages. So room difficulty. We'll do that. We will make it that way. That's the same. So we'll say do that. Oops, nope. We'll say potion test 1. And then string. Actually, I can just do. I'll just do this. I can copy and paste this, I think. And then like this, and then we'll say replace the comma with a colon. Right? No. Oh, it's just one. There it is. So there's my potions, and they are indented too far. There we go. And what else am I missing? Oh, it's dialogue messages, not potions. Dumb. Okay. Yep. So now we'll say var all potions will be equal to how do I create an array or a list of classes? Or let's say GD script create a list of classes. How do I? Let's try this one. Let's change it to Python. How to create a list of objects in a Python class. So geeks. Okay, so I need to create init functions then for these guys for a potion. So we'll just do that. I'll just say def init self name sense intensity Drink dialogue message. So I'll say potion. Oops. Let's fix the name here. Let's give it the underscore like we're supposed to. Potion name is equal to name self dot. It's having problems with. Let's go back and look at the GD script classes then. Those are functions. No, GD script, introduction to dynamic languages. How to read the API. No, programming languages. GD script. Alright, let's just do a specific Google here. GD script. Create or classes. Example. Class example. How do I create classes in GD script? Yeah. The GD script files, class in Excel for GD script. We'll have members. How do I do a class in it? Oh, it's not, it's, okay. It's not Python in it. It's, okay. It's underscore init. Get rid of self. And it's not def, it's funk. Not fuck, funk. There we go. Sense is equal to sense. Intensity is equal to intensity. Drink dialogue message is equal to drink dialogue message. Dring, is it really? Dummy. Drink. There. Alright, so now I've got that. So now I can say, what was I doing? It was all of this just to say potions is equal to a list of potions. I need to put all these variables above ready anyway, because these are properties. They go here. Do I do it here? I think so. So all potions dot append potion and I say it like this. I gotta say import use. How do I import a file? GD script import class. You can import the script using the following syntax. Constant date, okay. So I'll start by saying, you can then start creating with date.new. So they have let me think about that. So that's yeah, I just say constant. Okay, yeah, so that's kind of what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so I'm going to say potion, or potion maybe is equal to preload. And then I need to preload copy path. So now it's potion, lowercase potion. So what does my date look like? It's dot, says dot new. Oh, because this is an object. What is this one? This is object. No. Not there. This one. This is an object. Extends object. Then I preload the birth date. Let's see. So now what do I say? Potion dot new. Error at line 4. In class body. How do I create an import class in GD script? Do I do an init? Load the class resource. So let's look at these. Extend some class. Preload the class only at compile time. So I preload my class. Well, I probably can just do that. Let's get rid of this and let's just do potion. Oh, maybe it's because this is not at the top anymore? No. Make it a constant. There it goes. Ha! Got it. Just pass in the name, sense, intensity, and drink dialogue. SIGHT -12 potions dot test potion 1. Okay, so it expected 0. Potion. So what is that? Dot. It returns a void. Cannot get return value of call to append. Oh, I pasted it twice. No wonder it's a problem. 1, 2, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, because I call this and it's the class inside there. Got it. Got it. That's not what I wanted to do at all. That's what I wanted to do. So I'll just add another one. Potion.new. Alright, we got aspirin. Potion 2. All potions dot append potion dot new. This is -20. This is potions test potion 3. All right, so we got that. Clear the output. All those errors are making me nervous. Okay, so globals is now working. I've got room difficulty, I've got dialogue messages, I've got all potions, I've got randomize. We're good there. Project, auto load, global values. Let's disable that one. Scripts, globals. Add it. Now we have globals. Now let's do the player. Player. Inherits from object. I'm gonna call this one, we'll call it player. Oops. Scripts player. Yep. There we go. Here we'll say class player. Consumed potions. Var site. Oh, I didn't give it a var. Var touch. Hearing. Funk. Apply potion. Potion. New potion. Say new potion. Then I'll say consumed potions dot add or append. That's gonna be new new potion. Oh god. New potion. What's a Python switch statement like? I don't know. I've looked this up before, apparently. There it is. So it's a def switch. New potion dot sense dot lowercase python. I think it's just lower. Dot lower. So I do that. Say if how to simulate. Oh, it's just an if statement. Oh no, I can use match. Let me say match. So then I say case. Oops, nope, one more in. Case. Site. Then site plus equals new potion dot intensity. Case touch plus equals new potion dot intensity. Hearing plus equals new potion dot intensity. So I say match that. Expected colon or when after match pattern. It's right there. Colon, colon. When? Nope, definitely didn't like that, did it? Expected colon or when after the match patterns. Alright, well that's obviously not working for me. Python match statement. My eyes are getting droopy. I think I'm about done. Case pattern 1, so match parameter. Maybe it's gotta be in parens. I don't know why I was having a problem with it. I don't. Const potion is equal to preload potion.gd. New potion. Oh wait, no. Dang it, that's wrong. I don't want it here. Nope, doesn't like that, does it? How do I tell it that that's a potion? Yeah. Yeah, there goes the yawning again. Pass class as function parameter. use just instance of. Hang on, let's look at this. So you can use is instance of. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Excuse me. Is there a way to instantiate? Okay, what's the deal here? Put it in quotes, maybe? That's what it is. He's being parens, that's all. There it is. Nope, still has errors. Poop. Let's see, error at 4. Last player hides an auto load singleton. Alright, well, let's just get rid of the match statement, because obviously that's not working right. So I'll just say if new potion sense is equal to site VHT. Then let's take this logic here and else if any parens around the else if statements. The if statements, I don't think I do. Let's clean it up and just get rid of those. I'll say else if new potion. Well, hang on. We'll just come here. Let's go. Var sense is equal to, or s is equal to new potion dot sense dot loader. S is equal to touch. Then touch plus equals new potion dot intensity. L if S is equal to hearing plus equals new potion dot intensity. There. What is this? The class player hides an auto load singleton. Player. Yeah, player.gd. Let's just delete that one too. Node. Oh. All right, let's Google that error message. class hides autoload singleton. Let's see. Calling a singleton function doesn't show auto-completion in the editor. That is not what I want. Let's see. Let's delete player.cs and global values.cs and potion.cs too. Oh, it says it's still a .NET project. Maybe that's part of the problem. Never thought about that. Let's see. Let's see, what do I need to do to convert? Convert Godot for C# project to GD script. I just convert everything in Godot to C#. Project settings. Let's see, max functions. I think I need to create a new project and then move all my stuff over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna download a different version of Godot, one that's not the .NET. We'll download this one. Put it in documents. We'll say Godot. Oops. Oh, crap. Try that again. Documents. Alright. So we'll make that download happen. How long is that going to take? Oh, done. Let's go 7-zip, extract to there. That's a C# one. So I will say new project. I'm gonna call this one Pirate Software July 2024 Game Jam. Games. We'll create a folder here, call it Pirate Software July 2024 Game Jam GB script. Create and edit. All right, let's. I wonder if I can just copy all of my folders and stuff in. Okay, let's open that in File Manager. And now let's find my other one. What's that one? I'm gonna take graphics, scenes, scripts, sounds. Paste them in. Be a lot of things. Nope, 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 nope. Close. So scenes. Okay, so I have the main scene still. Okay, so let's fix dependencies. Okay, so it looks like most of it's still here. I just don't have the scripts to go with it associated. Okay, I can do this. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow though. I'm definitely tired. Close that one. If I try to open the door scene, how do I fix the dependencies? I attach a script, call it door. All right, I think I'm all right. I'm not quitting yet. Door.cs. So I've got, let's go back here to 2D. I've got my texture button, I've got node on texture button up, disconnect, and connect it. There it is. Var clear, oops, clear room. Can I go bool clear room? Double. What if I make it? Try to make it a var? Diff var difficulty. And then I come here. You don't do GD, it's just print. You have entered a clear room. Else. Oh no. You've entered a monster. Died. So now I've got the door. Let's go back to this example one, right? Where I've got all the references. Back to the top, please. Constants, enums, built-in vectors, functions. 0.1. And true. So, yep, got that. That's good. Actually, no, let's go open the door scene again. Nope, that all looks right. So yeah, I'll rewrite them. Okay, I can do that. Now that I got the project set up right, I think I can do it pretty easily. But I'm going to do that tomorrow morning, because it's been almost 3 hours. It's 11:30. I need to get some sleep. And yeah, so I guess we will come back and clean up this project, and hopefully I can get it done in time to, get it done so I can submit it. I need to get my laptop out. I'm going to take with me and make sure I load the right version of Godot on it too. So yeah, until tomorrow morning, I will see you guys all later. Have a good night. Bye.